In this video, I'm gonna show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. So let's get started. First, open Facebook app on your mobile. Now go to menu page by tapping profile icon located at the bottom right side. Scroll down and tap settings and privacy. From here, tap settings. Here you will find account center. Just tap on it. Now tap personal details. On personal details page, tap account ownership and control. On the next screen, tap deactivation or deletion. Here you need to select the account that you wish to deactivate. Just tap on the account. On the next screen, you will get options to deactivate account and delete account. Choose deactivate account option and tap continue. When you deactivate your main account, all the additional profiles and Facebook pages associated will be deactivated. Tap continue. Now enter your Facebook password for security reasons. On the next screen, just choose the reason for deactivation and tap continue. In the last step, you will find information about features that will be deactivated. If you are sure to deactivate your Facebook account, then tap Deactivate My Account button. So that is how you can deactivate your Facebook account. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.